In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add nodes in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a new node on a path and reposition it for precise control over your shapes. First, make sure you've selected the path you want to edit. Simply click the object on your canvas to highlight it. You can only add nodes to paths, so focus on objects that already have an outline you can edit. If you click and don't see any editable points later, that's a sign the selection might not be a path yet. Next, switch to the Node tool. The fastest way is to press the N key on your keyboard. You can also click the Node tool icon on the left toolbar. It's the second icon from the top and looks like two small connected points. When the Node tool is active, the cursor and the interface give you visual feedback. Existing nodes and segments of your selected path become visible, letting you know you're ready to edit. Now add a new node exactly where you want more control. Zoom in a bit if it helps with accuracy. Then, double-click directly on the path segment, not just the filled area, but the actual line, where you want the node. Inkscape will place a node right at that spot. You'll see a small square appear on the line, and depending on the segment, you may also see handles that indicate the curve can be adjusted. If nothing appears, reposition your cursor to ensure you're clicking on the stroke itself. There's also a handy alternative if you prefer using modifiers. Hold Ctrl and Alt together, then click on the path segment to add a node there. This is especially useful if double-clicking tends to select or deselect the object on your setup. Just keep your cursor over the segment and click once while holding those keys. With the node in place, you can move it to refine the shape. Click the new node to select it, then click and drag to reposition it. As you drag, watch how the adjacent segments update in real time. This gives you immediate visual feedback so you can nudge the node into the perfect spot. If curve handles are visible, they'll adjust accordingly as the node moves, helping you preserve or reshape the curvature of the path. That's all there is to it. Select your path, activate the Node tool with N or the toolbar icon, add a node by double-clicking, or with Ctrl plus Alt and a click. Then drag the new node to refine your design. With a little practice, you'll be placing nodes with confidence and shaping your artwork with precision.